Oh boy. Fucking hell, right, guys? Whatever, dude. Ugh. I feel like this is just. I feel like I should have known better than to try to trade through this shit, but whatever. All right. What else is going on? The fuck? Um, yeah, still more strength in China. Couldn't bring myself to buy this. I was thinking about buying it on close here, but oh, no. Ooh. I'm assuming a lot of people like probably took today off. Yeah. Granted, there's not too much to do for swing traders besides try to hold on to your longs, I guess. Just not get stopped out. Or I mean, either get stopped out or pray. Damn, this is up so much. The fuck? Did Kingsoft get news, guys? I cut my Futu, stopped out, but still have Baba. Yeah, this is crazy. There's stopped my XYZ, this square block, where the fuck. Did this not trigger, dude? Fuck. Yeah, I stopped. I don't know, man. I stopped some things, but I kept. Yeah, this is all I have left. Sixth position. I kept Rocket Lab and Lunar, and it's paying off for now. I don't know why RDW is now. Well, it's still above the 10-day. Like I'll rebuy it on highs, I guess. Well, look, some of these like ASTS might be actually bottoming. We got some good news last week. Yeah, Aklo is yeah, I know. I got shaken out here still. Still not happy about that, obviously. Man. Uh, oh well. These markets are endless cope, dude. That's how things are. I'm glad I cut my BitX though. Was that down? I guess today was a buying day, but Ethereum crashed pretty fucking hard. I didn't ex uh, I think all the alts are dead, right? Oh shit, dude, that's crazy. Yeah, this concept. I think this is the bottom, by the way. You bought it at 41. Yeah, I'm just. I think I'm too tilted to trade to put on new positions right now. It's my objective position, but whatever. Yeah, okay. Actually, things don't look so bad, even in crypto land. I feel like this is like Bitcoin, right? Bounced off the 100-day and found demand underneath 94s, right? You see all these wicks on the weekly. Now we're back, in this range. I put in an anchored VWAP, but I just want to see how it behaves. I'm not tripping about it. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, honestly, I think if you were like looking, if you're like an options trader and you're trading like, you know, maybe on the SPY or the NASDAQ or something, you probably made a lot of money or something. But for me, I think I should just not trade. Or future, like, but okay. There are some things I was noticing. All right, so one, uh, like futures, VIX futures, right? So this isn't the same as VIX. They're futures on VIX, right? But hit 20 here and didn't hit 20 and couldn't make a higher high on VIX. I don't know if that's important, but it got rejected before it hit 20 on futures. And the VIX itself opens later than the futures. It opens around midnight and look what it did, right? It tried to hold these 20 levels and didn't. So shows there's not that much fear, at least on the sell side, right? Um, Overnight move. I don't know. This whole thing is kind of mentally exhausting. China bounced back strong. I think we should see some setups in China soon. A lot of overnight. Yeah, after I got back from my trip for like New Year's, got back on like Jan 6th. I was thinking about it. It's like because then the fires were starting. I'm like I should just take another vacation and like go to Tahoe or something. Maybe go skiing. I haven't been skiing in a while, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna trade through this volatility. Fucking moron. And now I'm in a deeper drawdown, but it is what it is. Oh my God. So, yeah, it's been chopped. Maybe I just need to listen to my instincts more. Like, a lot of things weren't affected by the gap at all. A lot of things were, but then, oh, I got shaken out of IMAX, but this was a small position with a thin name. Like, look at Tem, right? I'm not in this anymore, obviously, but a lot of good signs. Oh man, I can't believe this shit. I bought this on this day, on like, yeah, Christmas Eve, I bought this. I got shaken out. And now look, it's gonna go higher without me. Yeah, so there's a lot of interesting things, right? So if you just look at the regular hours, or I guess we can look at Futes too. Like SPY made a lower low, but Nasdaq made a higher high again. I don't know. It's interesting to note. And overall, the Nas never filled the gap from the election day, right? So even though there's been a lot of tech selling, maybe Nasdaq will lead again. I don't know, man. It's 29. Okay. Anyway, it's just cope, 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 cope. That's all. That's all this is. Yeah, yeah. A lot of names are chilling. Like, oh, Lunar's green. Thank God. I had a pretty big position. Ah, man, this is so triggering. Because I was like, never mind. I don't know if it was a good idea to hold this, honestly, but it worked out. Yeah. I just got lucky, really. I kept these two and cut the and let this one get cut. I don't know. That's just luck. I think. Oh man, this is a good sign. This is a 10-day bounce. What's CrowdStrike doing? Okay. Yeah, especially if Nvidia puts in a failed breakdown here, that would be nice. But I don't know, man. It's below the 50 week and the 200 day. It's on the 10 month. Whatever. Oh yeah, what do you want to know about the chart colors? They're just slightly different. Uh, if you want, uh, you can take a screenshot like of this and go to a color picker and put it in. But yeah, I don't really like the default. I don't like the default trading view colors because yeah, they're a little harsh. So I changed them a bit. Oh, this green band, this is just anchored VWAP plus and minus one standard deviation. I've used this in the past. The only chart I've really had it on was Reddit. I put it on Reddit on IPO to like try to trade it through here. So I like bought Reddit around here and I just got shaken out because I was trying to, so I traded it here and I was like, there's no moving short-term moving averages except on the daily. So I just kind of wanted to see where shit might go. But anyway, it's just a moving average. Oh, the blue background, canvas, background gradient. Wait, I don't know how to. I'm pretty sure this is just default trading view background. I just don't have the grid lines on. I wonder if I can. I wonder if I could. I wonder if I could share these chart templates though. If you guys can find a way, I don't know if they're saved somewhere, local files, but yeah, I have like uh, a day and a night template. I don't use the light one anymore at all though. I used to like change. Yeah, the blue background I'm pretty sure is just the default dark background. What I changed was the candlestick colors, right? And like stuff like that. Oh, thank God Reddit bounced. Oh my God. I had a pretty big Reddit position too. No. Uh, all right. Everything is copacetic, right? We're all bounced off of. It's not quite the level I want. Lunar, I'm really excited for actually. This is the one where arguably a hopium helped me keep the stock because I'm like, it's got to run into the launch rate. Uh, we have Palantir earnings after market. Man, still some shit to get through. What else is going on, right? Like unemployment rate. This probably doesn't matter as much, but unemployment rate, and then next week more inflation data. This fucking uh, you got the talk with Trudeau this afternoon. I think it's 3 p.m. Eastern, man. Yeah, if the talks don't go well, I don't know. I'm probably gonna just stop trading for like a while. If everything if I get I think I'm gonna cut all these at lows. If I get stopped out of these positions, I'm gonna just take a break. So many failed breakouts too. It's almost like it is funny, I guess. But take a break, then one day later back in. Yeah, I know that's how it goes. Does Lunar have a launch date? They have a launch window. It's like around February 26th. It's like either half a week to a week that they have a they have I don't know. It's like given strong weather. I just blanked for a second. They'll do a launch in that week or something. But you can look it up. Yeah, so this is looking to be a China leader, right? So there's three China leaders, or there's okay, there's maybe a few more than that, but what's wrong with my mouse? It's like not showing up. Oh, this is looking really good. So if BYD goes, BYD and Tencent and Baba go, we'll be in good shape. But yeah, Baba is clearly a China leader, right? XPEV for the EV sector. There's also now large cap Kingsoft Cloud for like small cap tech leaders. This is fucking crazy. Look, if you bought it here on the China day in November, it's up like what, how much? Damn, dude, that's crazy. 430%. Every time you say the market isn't very good and I shouldn't trade, there are still some good names out there and solid spots to get in. So I just get in. Yeah, well, if you can find them. I mean, yeah, okay. China Bull, right? I think this is the best idea. I still have a little under half of my Baba position, so Earnings is not today either. Earnings is like I don't think it's decided yet. Saw some tweet about it. The GM probably got smoked. Yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, this is going again on the. But I think this is a dead cat. Oh yeah, wait. What is this? Stratesis. Do I need to pay attention to this? I don't know. Premium equity investment. Yeah. Yeah, natural gas went right on this Canada stuff. I don't think this folds. I'm not gonna trade it. hmm Dude, if Aklo could flag up here, that would be insane. Can you imagine that? This name is also very hated, I think. I think people like it's obvious. I think it's kind of an obvious name, right? Like Sam Altman is gonna get like sucking Trump's dick now. The fuck is this? Oh, LNG production. Natural gas might still be a thing. I don't know. I need to redo some of these watch lists to be more focused. Some of the like oil ones. Like I have an LNG section in here, but yeah, it's not. It needs to be more focused. Right. Probably not gonna trade it. Uh, yeah, I thought it was hard to read. I agree. Hmm. Why is this up? This is a Taiwanese microfab, right? They're, oh no, it's 15 billion. It's just it's just in the gutter. Oh, this is China. VNet isn't already okay. I already have this. I just need to add this to the China list. Well, I didn't know about this. It's not that liquid, I guess. But what the fuck is this? Gold. Yeah, gold hit all-time highs. Obviously, that's probably notable. It's a pretty big base, isn't it? Let's just set an alert here. Okay, oil got sold off. A lot of fear in the markets for sure. I read that um, like like JP Morgan and other firms that back these gold futures or these gold trusts, like got a ton of gold imported into New York. Okay, wait, this is the 29th. I don't want it to get confused with. I added this junk bond ETF just to watch too. I don't know. It's not super important, but you can kind of tell when I guess things might get risky with this and it starts selling off, which it's kind of like a canary in the coal mine type thing. Arc found support. Okay. Not bad, guys. I'm gonna invalidate this flag. Damn hymns, dude. What the fuck? Why am I not in hymns? That was annoying. Oh, this is an IPO. I'm just watching it. I need to find out why this is going. But broke down. What's SoFi doing? It's facing. Block getting bought back up. All right. Okay. All right, all right. Right, okay, whatever. Why is this going? I'm not going to trade it, but this is 22 million market cap, 2.5 float. And it got whatever, I don't care. Market moving higher from open, yeah. No, there's no need to take anything. Damn, all the strong names. Look, there's the strong names stay strong, right? Right, guys? Damn, RDW though? Okay, just give it a sec. Damn, I had Planet Labs here. Cut it like here, I think. Hymns and Tem, dude. Tempest AI and hymns. This is so fucking annoying. Why am I not in this? How would you have bought hymns though? This is like here, I guess, off the hourly or here. I don't know, man. I was in it here. I was in it here and here. Got fucking shaken out. Ugh. I mean, Tem has been kind of choppy too, but yeah, if you just bought it day one and just held it, it's probably pretty chill. Hopefully someone's in this TMC. This is still too thin, but this is really strong. This is a really good name. Just remember what it can do, guys. Carvana up. Okay. Root doesn't care about the tariffs. All right. Nice. Nice, you're in Tem. Yeah, good job. Affirm. Yeah, I haven't. Affirm is not bad. It's got earnings, right? So just wait for the earnings. I remember someone bought Affirm before earnings because I said I liked it going into earnings last time. Don't do that, dude. Don't be like that guy. He made money, I guess, but you know, at what? It's just a bad habit. MMYT, what is this? Uh, yeah, I don't know, man. This is super choppy. 5 ADR, but it's choppy, right? Look, it's 5 ADR. I don't know. I don't really like this name. It's strong, I guess. It's choppy with a high ADR. Yes, I don't think that's no bueno, guys. But is it an important name to watch? I don't think so either. Blue Hat. There's a China name. There's a China AI name. I have an alert on this in case. I'm not gonna trade this, but I forgot. There's just no. There's zero chance I trade this. Oh, this is why it's on the scans. Yeah, looked at this one already. Okay. Next thing is hold on, is there any more news coming out? No, they're just reiterating the Scheinbaum agreement. So okay, I was seeing the Truth Social tweet. Did I see how Trump was trying to force Fed to cut rates? Yeah, he was saying stuff about like Powell should cut rates, and then he said Uh, Powell made the right choice to hold. I don't fucking know, dude. It's just uncertainty. You fucking retards voted for him, right? I mean, I'm assuming most traders voted for Trump because most traders are right wing as fuck. This is what you get. Hi, Stu. Last time I was here, you were mentioning carpal tunnel. Maybe vertical mouse would help you. Oh yeah, I thought about that. Or like a ball mouse, maybe. I don't know. I think I just need less time overall. But yeah, vertical mouse. I have thought about. I also like, like the vertical split keyboard. I don't know if you've seen this, but when I used to work in tech, I saw like there's one guy in my office who had like imagine a V-shaped keyboard and you kind of like you type from underneath it, like you're funneling some balls. Oh, nice. Anyway, yeah, I think I might consider it, but really I just need less time on screens. That's the main thing, I think. There is, let me see, I'll see if I can find this keyboard. Split vertical keyboard. This isn't really quite it, but this is more similar to what I was talking about. It looked a little cooler than this, and it like you could so imagine instead of like a U shape, it was more like a V shape. I don't know. There's some fucking nerd typing on this, but it looked more ergonomic, I guess. Trackball precision. Yeah. No, I might consider getting one. You're right. You're right. There's no harm in getting one of these. Gold has broken out. Is the inflation trade on, Stu, or is it some other reason? Miners are showing a lot of strength. Um, I don't know, man. It's so there's like it's hard to say, right? Because on one hand, I mean, I don't really like trading gold miners because they're just choppy, right? I don't know when to buy them because gold they don't like they're correlated with gold, but not all the time. You kind of have to trade this on weeklies or monthlies, right? You gotta do long holds, and I don't really like holding slow shit for that long. But okay, yeah, inflation is I wouldn't say the trade is on because if the tariffs are gonna stay on, obviously inflation is gonna be a thing, right? But it seems like they're just, it's just swinging his dick in the wind or whatever the fuck. And like USO, WTI, right? This has just been range bound for now, and this is the main driver of inflation. Gold can be like a flight to safety in what's the right word I'm looking for? Like an inflation environment. But also gold is just a flight to safety in times of uncertainty, right? And a lot of central banks around the world, like China, have been buying gold, unloading US treasuries, as everyone knows by now. But I would wait and see, man. I don't know. Nitto, what is this again? Oh yeah, I was tracking this here. Yeah, this is the batteries. I'll probably put. I'll leave that here. I'll put a volume thing. I'll put a $10 million volume thing. Then maybe 10 million. Here's the thing though. I don't think you need to worry about. So I think inflation is not that good of a trade. Commodities in general, like maybe some LNG shit goes like, but one, a lot of US names, like space names, still look very good. Why not trade some of these, right? These look great. KTOS is, like we're talking about the Iron Dome for America. The Iron Dome, by the way, is has as the recent uh as Hamas and Hezbollah has proven is kind of bullshit, right? It's just a scam on American taxpayers. Like their shoddy ass missiles can make it past, or rockets can make it past the Iron Dome. But regardless, the KTOS might stand to benefit. Like ASTS, 200 day strength today, right? News yesterday might be bottoming. I would wait like a few weeks to see, how it looks, but news has been getting sold and now news is getting bought, maybe. Black Sky is thin, but strong, right? Planet Labs is super strong now. RDW is still really strong. It's just kind of down today, but it's finding support. No. So why not trade like some of these themes instead, right? Or China, right? China is, I feel like, a much stronger trade than the inflation trade, especially because some of these names are breaking out of like, look at this base, man. This needs more time, I think, but it's like a 3-year base. And yeah, I'm still long Baba. Maybe I should have bought some like, you know, 3, 4 month out calls. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, look at Lunar. Oh my God, yes. This is what I want to see. Up 2%, almost up like 1.5% today. It's not as good as Hims or Tem, but or Oklo or whatever. What else is green today? Yeah, I don't know, some thin ass crypto name. Yeah, this is untradeable. Yeah, this is too thin as well. Fubo? Yeah, maybe. But yeah, I guess if anything, if you would really want to trade a commodity name, you can trade one of these. But meh. It's better off waiting, my friend. A lot of charts are dead. Uber up. I wonder if this is bottomed. Thing is, What's Waymo's valuation again? It's like what, 45 billion 3 months ago, right? So it's still like still offer. Okay, so Uber's still 3 times bigger. All right, all right. Jesus Christ, up 25%. Hmm. How do I like RDW in the space theme? I talked about it. I was long this on Friday. No, this is an incredibly strong name. It's just weaker today than Rocket Lab and Lunar, obviously, but that's fine. It's above the 10-day. I added this AV WAP from the the inauguration day, right? It's holding. Just just needs a little bit of catalyst or some more time. Absolutely top watch. See, like, look. So this was I talked about this in past streams. It's just it's always been too thin. See, like it's always like one back here. It's like million, $2 million volume. It started getting some more volume here. It was still like really thin, right? It wasn't. It honestly was not until like it's like a little bit tradable here, but it wasn't until here, the inauguration, that I could comfortably trade it. And this is a small cap, right? It's 1.5 billion, and they do logistics. Um, so they do like they don't actually do any rockets, I believe, or satellites or landers or anything. Uh, okay, yeah, yeah. It's all like pretty intertwined though, but they do solar arrays and deployable structures. Yeah, okay. You could just look at their website, but provide a lot of components and parts and solar panels, stuff like that. Whereas like Rocket Lab is the kind of the big boy after SpaceX, right? Which is private, obviously. What is SpaceX valuation? It's like 50 billion, right? Oh no, shit, it's way more. SpaceX was 350 billion valuation in December. Jesus fucking Christ, never mind. But yeah, like this is private equity markets. I don't know how. I don't really understand them as much. But Rocket Lab is more. It's like what 15 billion now. It's a large cap officially. It still trades like a small cap, and it's still in the Russell. So it's still considered. You can when people talk about small caps, they might still consider Rocket Lab as part of it. But this is like more vertically integrated. They do like everything. They're competing with SpaceX, right? Lunar is purely lunar landers, I believe. I don't think they do much else. But they're the ones that they have a close relationship with NASA. My only concern with these names, which the market doesn't seem to be worried about, is Elon cutting off more like federal like things that receive federal funding. So as you may or may not know, wait, this is January 24th. How did this move over here? No, this is extraneous. That's here. Yeah, so on this day, wait, did I delete one of these September? I think I deleted one of these things by accident. One of these news clips. Let me find it. But on the big gap up day, it got a $4.8 billion contract, but it's not guaranteed, I guess. Like it's based on like NASA can award it at will. I'm not sure how it works. It's just not guaranteed. But the market doesn't seem to care about Doge's potential, cutting whatever the fuck. September 18th. Maybe I can just find it in here. Or I can go to the website, I guess. Yeah. You hope 10 sells off so you can get in? Yeah, well, I'm just gonna wait for a setup. Okay, I found, yeah, this is the one. Up 6%. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right, I think everything's gonna be okay. I love this candle makes me feel at ease. These big gap down candles. These two are okay. Should I? I'm so tempted to add, but no, I'm a chill. All right, I'm gonna cut the stream, guys. You got stopped in Rocket Lab? Sucks. You can rebuy, dude. Just wait. See, like this is just reclaiming the range. Just you see the levels, right? Like above 30s. Yeah, yeah. Just watch it. Anyway, later, guys.